Start. Oh, start good. Pnawn da pawb, gobeithio chi'n iawn. Sesiwn all ar wythnos, last session of the week. And we're going out with a bang. Ni'n mas o bach o bang heddi. Just achos penwythnos, we're going to get very sweaty. Lots of high intensity fan hyn heddi. So if ni'n neud yoga, okay, ni'n mynd amdani, okay? So, plan yw 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises. Ni'n gweithio munud pob tro. We're going to work for a minute every time. And ni'n cael gorffwys yn y car. We're going to have a little break in between. So, gweithio'n 30 eiliad. We're going to work for 30 seconds. Quick break, 30 seconds again. Okay? Na i'n mynd trwyddo gweithgareddau. I'll go through the exercises with you. And we'll have a warm-up before we start. And today we will need a warm-up. Okay? So, yr un cyntaf. The first one, we're going to do a lunge and drive. Okay, so ni'n sefyll, ni'n mynd i lunge on ôl. Okay, take a step back, lunge, a pan ni'n dod nôl, when we go back up, drive. Nôl, drive. So I'm only doing my right leg, left leg staying. Okay, so ni'n mynd i wneud hwnna'n 30 eiliad. We're going to do 30 seconds. Break back, we have a little break. We'll do the opposite side. Okay, so lunge, drive. And we're going to use our arms for balance, okay? First one. Ni'n mynd i wneud punch o llawr, floor punches, yn lle mynd mas, yn lle mynd lan, as many as we can. Pengliniau, okay? Bach o bend mewn pengliniau ni, okay? A ni'n mynd i punch o lawr as fast as we can, am 30 eiliad, break, a wedyn ni'n mynd to, okay? Cefn chi, we go back, it's okay if you want a little bend. Look at the floor, don't keep your head up. So just edrych ar y llawr, punch, 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 punch. Trydydd un, heel, flick, sprint. Bach o mouthful, pan ni'n neud heel flicks, fel hyn, ni'n just mynd i rhedeg, flat out, okay? Cofio, don't keep your hands tu ôl, don't have your hands at your bum, we're going to flat out sprint, okay? Defnydd y breichen ni, we're going to use our hands as well and arms. I'm going to go from there. Fi'n gwybod, fi'n mor sorry, but then, last one. Squat jumps, fi wedi wneud hwn o blaen. Okay, we'n mynd i plygu pengliniau. Okay, wneud squat, a popo lan, syth mewn. All ni'n mynd mewn cylch, ond hwnna'r pwynt. Bach o pŵer, okay, yn coesau ni. A gorffen off, burpees. Okay, so os ni heb wneud burpees o blaen, gonna lie on our stomachs, okay, mynd lawr. Breichau fi, okay, yr ochr. Hands down. Pop o lan, jump. Dwylo lawr. Punch o mas. A ni'n mynd i gweithio am munud eto, okay? So, sorry, tough one today, ond last one of the weekend, wedyn relax, feet up, neu beth bynnag chi moyn, okay? Happy days. Ewn ni dechrau jog i twym o lan. Tra'n dod off the llawr, feet are coming off the floor. Break and symud hefyd, arms are moving as well. Da iawn. Just pigo'r pengliniau ni lan. We're going to pick our knees up a little bit. Da iawn. Arms are still working. Okay, ni'n mynd i punch o flan fyd. Going to do little punches out in front. Punch o i'r ochr, to the side. Edrych fel fi'n dawnsio. Punch dros top, punch above. A jog o eto, jog bach. Tra'n dod off y llawr. A slow fel lawr. Bach o march, slow march. Really symud y breichau ni nawr. Cyferbyn, so we're getting opposites working. Da iawn. Hips ni, 5 un ochr. 3, nice and slow. Beth bynnag chi moyn, 4, 5, ochr arall, gyda'r ffordd arall, other way. Da iawn, okay, tro yma, ni'n mynd I wneud bach o stretch. Try ar y wahân, okay, we're going to get nice and wide, keep your legs straight, ond ni'n cael plygu pengliniau. We're still going to keep a little bend in our knees, and ni'n just mynd I trio touch o llawr, a nôl lan. Unwaith to, nôl lan, unwaith to. Good, okay, tro yma, dal gweithio hamstrings, imaginary kick of the football, okay? Achos swing, 4, 5, un ola, 6, swap o droso, good for balancing, good for our core, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Os ti'n struggle with hwnna, wastad, have a little hold of something, mae hwnna'n fine. Okay, quad stretch. Tynnu, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Coes arall. Ooh, get the Steph balance gynta. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Pawb bar, ni'n mynd I wneud squat a dala fe. Feet apart, mynd I squat o lawr, hold. A lan, da iawn. Shuffle the feet in a little bit. A lawr. Kevin syth, back straight. A lan, good. A wedyn tro yma, ni'n mynd I wneud groin stretch, okay? Ni'n mynd i'r ochr. Plygu penglin, syth. A ni'n rhoi pwysau ymlaen, a pwysio nhw lan. A eto, pwysio lan. Un arall, a stop o droso. Good. Ochr arall, mas, pwys, pwysio lan. 2, 3, last one. 4, okay, a wedyn, just mynd I agor lan dros, alternate, okay, take it in turns, mynd dros o mynd lan, dros y gat a lawr. Oh. Agor popeth lan. And as we know, okay, if we open the gate, you got to cloi y gat, okay, you've got to close the gate. So, mas I mewn. Oh, clics yn dod o fi. 1, mwy pob ochr. Okay, fi'n credu ni'n beddi, fi'n barod I fynd. Okay, cael quick sip. Ni'n mynd I wneud y lunge and drive gyntaf. Set o lan. Okay. So just cyn fi'n gwasgu start, ni'n neud backwards lunge, okay, so right leg, okay, coes sydd there. Fi'n mynd nôl, lunge, a wedyn drive up, a wedyn syth nôl mewn I, okay, back straight, ni ddim yn mynd droso, lan. Okay, cofia, brechu balance, cyferbyn, opposites, opposite. All right. Pawb barod. Okay, lunge, drive. Take your time. Os chi moyn, you can reset, cael y balance, a wedyn mynd to. So a lot of pwys ar coes chwith, a lot of weight on your left leg. It's doing a lot of work hefyd. A little bit of a burn in my left quad fan'na, da iawn. Shiglo fe mas, shake it out. And we're going to do the opposite now. Left leg is going to be doing a lot of motion. Right leg sticking in the ground. Pawb yn barod. Okay, lunge nôl. A lan. Cyferbyn. Use your arms for balance. Really drive that knee up. Whoa. Pump ar ôl. Da iawn pawb. Bach wahanol fyna, a little bit different. Punch o'ch lawr. Lan I chi, shit ti moyn neud e. You can keep straight. Neu chi'n plygu droso. We're punching down to the floor, okay? Fi moyn I chi mynd really gyflym, okay? I really want you to go fast on this one. This isn't pacing it, take your time. Cer, go, go, go. Pawb yn barod. 30 eiliad. Da iawn. Cadw fynd. Just punch o'ch lawr, lan I chi shwt ti moyn neud e. Falle chi moyn mynd i'r ochr. Neu yn y canol, lan I chi, up to you if you want to do it to the side or down the middle. I'm comfier in the middle. Da iawn. Fi'n dylsech chi teimlo fe yn eich cefn, okay? You should feel it in your back as well. Because your arms are going, but it's your back that's letting them move. Boom. Lot o pŵer yn dod o fanna. Pawb yn barod, really gyflym tro yma. Go, go, go. Da iawn. Be fi moyn weld, dylse pawb edrych ar y llawr. Don't put your neck up, because that's not what you should be doing. Naturiol, this is where your body is facing, so you face the floor. Don't arch your neck. Da iawn, cadw in. Wel, tro nesa, gofyn I mam neu dad neu dycu, mangi, rhoi bach o bara cyn chi'n coginio'r bara. Before you cook the bread, good way of kneading the bread. Joy o mas draw. Heel, flick, sprint. So, os ti moyn dechrau fel hyn, cael o'r rhythm, ni di siarad am beth i'r rhythm o blaen, a wedyn pigo fel an. A ni'n gwneud sprint, flat out, go for it. Off ni. Cyferbyn, opposite. Oh, na. Last thing fi wedi mynd. Keep concentrating. Last thing bach to fi, so fi'n iawn. Pick it up if we can. Da iawn pawb, 10 eiliad. Amser ni'n last then. Heart rate's gone up. Oh. Da iawn pawb. Good. 8 eiliad syth nôl mewn. 8 seconds, we're back in. Okay. Running on the spot. Falle, os chi'n neud hwn tu mas, if you're doing this outside, you can run in your garden. Lan I chi, up to you. Da iawn. Cadw fynd. 3. Oh, Steph. So nath hwnna gwyth o hammies ni. Os ti'n teimlo, pan ti'n neud y flick, when you do the flick, your hamstrings are working. Nesa, squat jumps. You mean you squat, and we're pushing. A lot of the power's coming from the quad as well. So we're flipping it. Legs are having it today, boys bach. Oh! Squat. Up to you with your hands. You can keep it by your sides. Bring them in front. Put them on your head os ti moyn. Whatever's comfy. This was an awful decision by me. Oh, llosgi. Jumps back, squat, cefn syth. I'm not bending over, okay? Oh, cerdded os chi angen, have a little walk if you need to. Oh, and you're going to need a nice bath. Heno, woo, woo, woo. 8 eiliad, 8 seconds. Ready? Os ti'n chwarae rugby, pêl-droed, tennis, netball, neidio, bach o pŵer. Ni'n mynd i dechrau neu athletau nawr, yn eich ysgolion. High jump, maybe. Long jump, neidio. Fi'n siarad achos fi mewn poen. It's distracting me. 30 eiliad. Oh, burpees. Steph. Burpees. Awful decision, but you'll thank me tomorrow, okay? Oh, saliva. Okay, pop lawr. Pop lan. Neidio, lawr. Kick out. Up. I'll go from the side. Dwy lawr. Kick o mas. Mewn. Jump. Halfway. On the first set. Da iawn, cadw fynd. All the way. Friday, dydd Gwener, put it in. Gweithio galed. Oh, na. No lawr. Oh. Good. Oh. Cadw fynd. 8 seconds. 4. Oh. Okay. Okay. Slow anadu lawr. Slow the breathing down. That's one of the toughest ones I've done in months, yn credu. Mewn trwy troen, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Cerdded o gwmpas. Bad stuff. Cerdded o gwmpas, walk around. Slow it down. Oh. Da iawn, pawb. Ni'n stretch our coesau nawr. Oh, we're stretching the legs. Okay, shiglo coesau mas. Shiglo breichau. Shake it out. Okay. Quads, okay? See angen? I'm going to use this to balance. Just in case I got wobbly legs, okay? Chwyth I chwyth. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn, sob y droso. Tight i'r penolchyd, tight i'r bum. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. Need a hamstrings eto. Nice wide stance, okay? Plygu bach. Just bach in the pengliniau. Little bend in the knees. Down, touch the floor, hold it. 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Land slow bach. If you can't touch the floor, go as far as you can, hold it. Okay, feel it on the hamstrings, back of your legs. Unwaith to. 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Okay, just slow kicks. Kicks back. Power swing now. Nothing strenuous, nothing grieve, nothing strong, just nice and slow. Wind is blowing your leg. Oh. Da iawn. Okay, a ni'n neud groin stretch. Ni ddim mynd I push on all, okay? Plug your pen-glin to the side. Hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sefyll lan. Ochr arall. We're doing this to flush out the lactic acid so we don't have heavy legs. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. A siglo fe mas unwaith to. A job done. Diolch pawb. Bydd Steve yn neud sesiwn dydd Llun, okay? So, hanner awr wedi 4, okay? 4:30 ar ôl ysgol. Os egni gyda chi, falle chi yn ysgol yn neud hwn. Fantastic. Wel, chi'n fian. See you soon. Diolch.